All right, what is up, guys? We're about to go pick up our first car bed in this truck, and we're gonna put it on that trailer right there. So I'll talk to y'all more when we get there. Yo, what is up, everybody? This is TreadRipperz. We're coming back with another video today. Haven't posted in quite some time. Been in college trying to get that all situated. But we are here today with what is behind me, our new project car. So this is a car. I don't think it runs right now, but we're gonna get it all cleaned up, get it running, get it modded up, show her off a little bit. You know, it's got nice custom leather in there, leather slash suede. So we just aired up all the tires. Gonna roll it up, get it on our vehicle over here, and take her home and see what we can do with her. So we're gonna have to replace the rotors here just because they're a little rusted, a little dirty. We're gonna get all that cleaned up. But we got Brimbos. What is this? Got the Brembo brake pads. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Of course, you got the SRT on the wheel right there. All right, guys, so we got the Challenger loaded. We're about to head back to the house. The sun's going down, so we'll catch y'all back there. Alright, guys, so that's going to wrap up the first video back to the channel. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment if you have any questions, if you want to know anything about the car, or any suggestions for mods about the car. Go follow my Instagram. It's tread.rippers. TreadRipperz was taken, a bunch of nonsense. But it's tread.rippers, no caps, no spaces, nothing like that. To get the instant for YouTube, because I'm going to post on there before I post on YouTube. So if y'all want any like little sneak peeks, previews, or anything like that, go follow my Instagram. But that's going to wrap up the video for now, guys. So this has been TreadRipperz, and we're going to tear out of here.